So today we got our washing machine. And our washing machine's on because it's working. And it's on. It's filling up. And it's so good, but the washer stays on. Takes the second load. What?
Making a YouTube video.
Wow, washing machine.
Why?
She is such a terrorist. Such a player.
They're nice.
You gotta tell what's happening in your video.
My washing machine is shaking.
Dad cut some pipes here now.
It's selling.
But make a shoot on it this time, Kayla.
Shoot for that
We'll see if
water.
it shoots up in the air or not. You think it'll shoot up in the air?
No, it will not.
We're gonna
Because
find out.
it'll drain out sea. It'll drain out sea. It'll drain out sea.
Oh, that's gonna be cool.
It's gonna sound like a top load washer. Like a TV washer, like the same. Like animal washer. It feels like this.
It's not gonna come out that now.
Not gonna come out that way.
I think it's not.